Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform correlation analysis and covariance analysis in EQS. So this is my dataset, and as you can see, I have some demographic variables as well as the items or indicators of a few constructs. If I just scroll to the right, you can see that I have 5 items for job performance, PR1 until PR5. Now I would like to generate a covariance matrix and also a correlation matrix between these items. So what I need to do is to click on the analysis menu, and then from here I can simply select correlations option. Now here there are two options for output matrix type. The first one is covariance matrix, and if this option is selected, what happens is that EQS generates a covariance matrix of the items. And if you select correlation matrix in the output of the program, you will be able to get the correlation matrix of the items. The next step is to select the variables of interest. And in our case, we are interested in performance number 1 to performance number 5, the 5 items of job performance scale. So I just click on this arrow. Now you can see that all of these 5 items are displayed in the selection list. There is also another button here which is options. So you can ask EQS to compute Chromebox Alpha for job performance with these 5 items if you select this option. Another point to consider is that no matter whether you select covariance matrix or correlation matrix, when you select this option, EQS will create the correlation matrix of these items plus the means and the standard deviations of these items and put them in a new data set. So if you are interested in getting the correlation matrix of these items and the means and the standard deviations of these items in a new data file, you can simply select this option. Now let me click on OK, and then I click on OK again, and you can see the results in the output window. Here you will be able to see the covariances between these 5 items, and as we requested, EQS has computed the Chromebox Alpha for these 5 items, which is 0.523. In fact, this scale is not reliable. Now, if I just click on this option, this button, you will be able to see the new data set which contains the correlations between these 5 items, PR1 to PR5. Also, at the bottom of this table, you will be able to see the standard deviations and the means of these items. It is important to consider that EQS can do the structural equation modeling using the raw data or using the covariance matrix or correlation matrix of the items as the input matrix. So in case that you would like to do a structural equation modeling with these 5 items and you don't want to use the raw data, you can simply use this matrix of correlations between the items. Of course, as you can see, the means and the standard deviations are provided, and basically you need this information if you would like to use the correlation matrix as the input matrix for your structural equation modeling. Now you can simply save this new table as a new file and use it later. All right, so let's close this, and this time I'm going to select the other option, which is correlations. Again, I select the same items, PR1 to PR5, and I just select the same options here. If I click OK, now you can see the correlations between the items in the output window as well as the Chromebox Alpha. If I click on this button, you can see the new matrix that has been generated, and again you can see that these correlations that you can see in the output window are saved in a new data set plus the standard deviations and the means, and you can use this table for further analysis when you are planning to conduct the structural equation modeling using the correlation metrics of the items as the input metrics in your analysis. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you find this video meaningful.